How to sell products using affiliate marketing, and what not to do. The affiliate marketing business is one of the best for long-term results when run correctly. Yes, there has to be a well-thought-out system to gain customers and create a business for the long term. This I can lead you to. I am using such a system and it has grown and improved my business online. Follow me to the end of this article and I will show you how to succeed. Number 1. Have a plan. As an affiliate, you aren't entirely responsible for the sales of this company, but you are responsible for the success of your affiliation with that company. If you want to do well, prepare. Have a professional-grade website. Won consumers' trust with their contact information. Have a strategy for the content you produce and how you promote posts or products. Number 2. With content marketing, if you're doing it right, you're creating a good mix of evergreen, tried and true lessons and information, but you're also creating relevant and timely things as well that speak to, perhaps, an update. People will do this through articles or tutorials or reviews of perhaps a new feature, but when you're looking at pay-per-click versus content creation, I would say content creation's always going to win because you can increase your traffic and you also increase trust. Number 3. One last point: make sure the affiliate links work. You must click on each link after inserting to verify it works. If the link doesn't work for you, it will not work for customers. Number 4. Online business offers needed support in the event that you need to close a brick-and-mortar location for any reason in the future. For example, you may decide to move your business to a new location. Having an online channel means you won't depend on your physical location to keep operations running during the transition. Number 5. Affiliate marketing has become one of the most cost-effective ways to drive traffic to a site. Since, in most cases, both the advertiser and the publisher profit from the setup, there is no reason to believe that affiliate marketing won't be a dominant advertising method well into the future. There you have it. You have the will to succeed online with your business. I am offering to show you the best system to work with and grow your business into the future. Here is the link to your success. I am sure you got benefit from this article. Well, leave a comment so I can improve and share it with others who you can help. Here is the link to success. Click here. Now. Bill Morrow. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.